Masigi koi press ki sinaw ga mayam ga unabase kanigumba darkar leba madagi mayam ga khara su media khanganing bahai ta le dei tawbuni ai di incident se na 27 ki nindang da akoi gi armed clearance masing yang ba group khana akoi additional SP magi mayum da sanga attack tawba then property damage tawba adigi family da aki tujan pohon ba then adudagi batong dagi the officer sibu phaduna puga assault tawba mada natana tay officer khara su assault tawba su lai nimba si lora batong da amuk su jiki mana officer sibu amuk defame tawba ita ai di defame tawba ji karino da ma ji corrupt officer ni then ma masagi dangta khallaga galem dari phangna ba du tongna ba tawba mi anti mai tai ni koi kuna gi yekna bani ka dana ma se brand tawbiraga adugumba allegation ma tawe masi yamna sathi ba sumaina apoina service ta sahi kunja truk service torpada any officer police ki mi amata security force ki mi amata da koi service sahi kunja truk sore Sehingga sahaja insurgency problem ada supaya apa yang nak kerana itu semuanya hendak kita ibu kerana semuanya thokodi yang kita adanya segi officer segi maksudnya si ibu marah sih aku ini refit dan dia tahu juga aku strongest arm dah aku masih yang ini ayah officer si mempunyai siapa qualified orang dedicated orang always ready to respond to duty whenever called for again. Any darkar eba matlab da duty ki damakta thorpa kada mang thane thorpa officer ni mangda magi personal history adu magi corrupt oiba khorpa ma kano leke hoi mi kunima even live hoba 100% perfect nate mi magi kano de kan ba khana di dum legum thoi leiram gani adu hujik madu kanana kari magi character magi afawa fatwa kari layamba kamai nan ba se thinaba matam nate hujik lo thinarakta adi kana no kamai tori no ni kudu muki ba adverse record loi legum to legini adu hujik matam nate hujik ti madu akoi hujik se Manipur se yamna aruba crisis sama koi thengari last 10 days 10 months akoi ki kanglup ani gi irang na maram oduna koi ni mayam awa tari ni thawai mani property crore property में आवाज़ मानी अदुगु हाई बक केरोसिन चिदा कोई स्टेट फोर्स की केरोसिन चिना थावयाउना round the clock 24/7 only Imphal खतना ते affected district तरी निपान चिदा difficult areas in तुरा कोई सामक सुयाव रे बने अदुना ने कोई ना हाइजेरी छि हाइदि अखोई ना थावयाउना थावा तो कांदा अखोई ने तोर थमक तु सखंग बिबे मोता force allegation में लाता दी कोई से हट तो अते की बात है कोई साम कोई ना उसकी फ्रिंज एरिया इज द डिफिकल्टी एरिया इज द कांगो बनी के कोई मतलब पुलिस फोर्स एज ए केनोनी कोई थबक तो पोगाथन अदुना सुमाइना मारा सेल्फ फोर्स में कोई यानिंगे मादी करिनो हागोदा मागी lawful होगा mandated duties being a police officer he only perform the mandated lawful duties I indicate तौबदा वो मतलब वहाँ पांचों पने हैं masida magi personally koi ke no to ba ma bhog leba nate aduna sigi matang sima haini ji haiba koi ke social media da circulate tori ba comment me amadu mi amse madu mi nadi ji ke tek to se incident ama ga mari nei na hali incident ama ga mari nei na masida incident ga mari nei na hali incident to kari no da ma je as an officer police officer mana to hum thupa crime ma thopa ka da madu attend to buda ne अदुगो ना तैयार होता फैमिली की इमून मुनुंग यावना सुमाइना सी तो बसिदी कोई केंदे कोई कंडेम तो कोई याजु या निंदे अदुना मुझे अमुसो नहीं ना हाइड बसे मुझे कोई अमन अमगी मरा सिनाब मतम नते स्टेट फोर्सेस है से कोई की मुझे ले इराक सिगा मरी नहीं ना मया खुदी मंगना स्टेट फोर्स है ये यामना मोया तो बतबक तो न्यूट्रलिटी वैबा गुड सर्विस तो ऑलवेज कमेंट तो बोली praise तो बोली even ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯤꯐꯦꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯈꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯅ ꯏꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯅ ꯏꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯜꯇꯔꯅꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯃ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯊꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯑꯥꯔꯝ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯚꯥꯞ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ instead of criticizing defaming ko tawai muhutta akhoi hujik amana mana tawri karino se aramba thiba achumba thirugi ba to horga hujik lai bisa thana na tawri ba thamuk sida koi da support bi bada ga lai moral boost to bada aduna ba kero to be haduna koi police department ngarang yamna koi kero to wi pen da ko to yaw dana kero to be du koi adu du ba karimta leite koi police force होने जगह में नया भी सर्विस नहीं कंट्री की दमता नहीं स्टेट की दमता नहीं पब्लिक में आप दमता नहीं कोई नहीं से कोई तो अदम किलो तो क्या तो नहीं अगर किलो का लास्ट में ना किलो का किलो का है जगह कोई की मरोई ना law abiding citizen CSOs particularly कोई की friends social media में active या कोई friends से Sida in appeal to anybody. Whenever any comment is posted or uploaded, adugi cannot talk about Munda Kern Nainavio. Musiki hide book and Obi and hiding in the point I have an attempt. Sit on without. I know hiding this from brush on the right crack and Zaraga and Tam to the Diam Havani. See, but then I hiding.
Very good morning to all of you. This is to clarify what actually happened regarding the case. Since the case is under investigation, police will not able to reveal all the details, but some facts which is there that we want to clarify so that public understand what has actually happened. On 27th February 2024 afternoon, a information was received by our police that 2 vehicles were snatched by some armed miscreants and taken away. So immediately after that vehicles were taken away from North AOC oil depot. So immediately after receiving the information, police has alerted all the nakas and has also informed all the police officers to look and rescue these vehicles. So in such search, our Sri Moirangtham Amit Singh and our Inspector P. Achoba Maitai with other officers were able to intercept these 2 vehicles and they were able to rescue it. Along with that, they have apprehended one individual who was involved in that incident also. In this connection, one regular FIR is also registered in Imphal Police Station. That FIR is 106/2/2024 under section 379A 400/506/34 IPC and 24(1)(b) Arms Act. The other incidents, what has happened after that our Sir Jayanta has briefed. This is what actually happened. Here if you see, our police officer was doing his lawful mandated duty. So after this, targeting him or his family or other officers involved in this, our police department from the rank of DGP to VDF, we all are condemning it very strongly. And we request the elders of the society not to support such a kind of incidents. If police is threatened, then we will not able to work. Then what will be the alternative? The other issues of insurgency, ASPA, all such things will come up. The armed forces will come. It is the police who has the advantage of knowing the local public and able to understand better in what's happening in Manipur. So we request all the citizens of Manipur, please help us. If any of our police is involved in any wrong thing, you are always welcome to come and give a complaint, and we will do as per law. But do not take law in your hand, and it will create more and more problem only. And we also condemn the character assassination of our officers and the police in the social media. Whoever do such things will also be booked under relevant sections of the law. So with this, once again I request all the public of Manipur, please cooperate with police. Let us do our duty, and we are doing duty 24/7. You all know that how much lives we have protected. So please help us to do our duty. Thank you.